the viral fluffy omelette. So this is what I tried today. Welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. So how is the recipe and how is taste? The taste was, I will tell you, and the recipe I followed whatever I saw in social media everywhere. What I had to do, just have to beat 2 to 3 egg properly, and need to hit the pan, add the butter, and now that is the trick. So my experience is that in one day at least I couldn't do it. The fluffiness was not easy for me because the flip is very important. Otherwise everything is normal. You can see that I am twisting and twirling everything, but the flip, and you have to throw it in the air, that was not easy in one day for me. So it was for me okay. The taste was good, no doubt, but it was not that fluffy. Okay, the question is, whatever we are seeing in the internet, is that edited? No, all of them are not edited. What you have to do, you need to practice a lot, at least one omelette a day. You have to do it for 7 days, and then you can come up with the flying omelette. You can flip it easily, and you can have that cut and runny omelette. During this shoot, this is the first time I tried, and that is the outcome, the result you can see. So you have to very careful about how much time you are cooking for that. You cannot cook more time, and you have to flip 2 to 3 times, which I couldn't do at the first go. And this is the result. You can see I was laughing. It was not that internet one, runny one, but it was okay. And yes, the taste was really good. So hope you enjoyed the uncut version and how it can be. So I enjoyed this omelette a lot, and little bit of practice can make me perfect. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye.